Make your brain think in English, train your mind, change your life. Have you ever tried to speak English, but your brain freezes? You know the words, but they just don't come out. It's like your mind is stuck translating every sentence, one word at a time. But what if I told you, you can train your brain to think directly in English? Most English learners feel the same pain. They study grammar, memorize words, but when it's time to speak, silence. Why? Because they're still thinking in their native language. They don't realize that fluency isn't about knowing English, it's about thinking in English. Your brain is like a muscle. If you train it the right way, it learns to respond automatically. But if you keep translating, you're holding that muscle back. You're stopping your mind from flowing freely. Think of a child learning to speak. They don't study grammar books or translation charts. They listen, they repeat, and they connect meaning directly. They don't say, apple equals mall, they just see the apple and say, apple, that's the secret. To make your brain think in English, you must connect English words with ideas, not translations. Start small. When you wake up, don't say, unjam my loader, in your mind. Say, I'm tired. When you drink your coffee, say, this coffee smells good. When you walk outside, say, the sun feels warm. You're not just speaking English, you're rewiring your brain. Every small thought in English becomes a neural pathway. And every repetition makes that pathway stronger. Soon, you won't need to translate, you'll just think naturally. Surround your brain with English. Watch English YouTube videos, listen to podcasts, read books, even if you don't understand everything. The more your brain hears, the faster it adapts. Fluency isn't built overnight, it's built through consistent exposure and emotional connection. When you laugh at an English joke, when you cry at an English story, your brain says, this language matters, emotion creates memory. And memory builds fluency. Never say, my English is bad, say, my English is improving every day, because your words shape your reality. If you think you can't, your brain stops trying. But if you believe you can, your brain finds a way. Fluency is not about perfection. It's about progress. About confidence. About having the courage to speak even when it's not perfect. So from today, stop translating. Start living in English. Think in English, dream in English, speak in English. Train your mind, and your words will follow naturally. Remember, your brain becomes what you train it to be. And if you train it in English, the world will open new doors for you. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to speak English confidently. Because learning English isn't just about language, it's about changing the way your mind thinks. This is LAMRA, where we learn, aspire, master, reflect, and evolve together.